Using the scheduler. The scheduler helps you to schedule one-on-one appointments with your teachers. Booking an appointment. On your course, click on the Scheduler button. A list of available appointment slots appears. Scroll down and find a date and time when it's convenient for you to have an appointment with your teacher. For example, if Tuesday, June 1st, between 1 o'clock and 1:25 p.m. is a good time for you to meet with your teacher, click on the Book Slot button beside that time. In your message text area, you could type an answer to the booking instructions. The booking instructions in this example say, "Please type the reason for this appointment." If you have a file on your computer that you would like your instructor to see, you could upload that file into this area, either by dragging and dropping it here, or by clicking on this button and choosing the file on your computer. That's all you have to do. To finish, click on the Confirm Booking button. Your appointment details will appear on the screen in the Upcoming Slots section. You can edit to change the booking details or cancel the booking on this screen using these two buttons. Make sure you write down the details of your upcoming appointment, although your teacher may send you an email reminding you of the appointment.